Yeah, no. There we go. Hello? Die. Thank you very much. We want to hear. You here first. Be here first, please. Yeah, we gotta get bullied first. We have to get bullied first, unfortunately. And so the only way is through here, by this passageway. Now let's say hello to Mr. Imp. Lower these walls down, because you'll see later. You'll see much later. Open up this door first. When you face the crusher, got your middle one first. You can lower this down if you need medikits. Again, face the crusher again, turn to your right for the yellow key. And now we can finally exit this room by not going through that way. No. Instead we're taking the shortcut by going to the left. Open the door to the left, and I told you, we gotta come from the other side of that door. Sexy BFG and some sound. And I always say, you see a BFG, shit is about to happen. Well, here's your first shit. Open the door! And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Oh dear. No. Let's open the 3 doors of the exit door. Flip the switch. Grab the computer area map, and we're done.